here we want to apply some transformations in the plane. So these are some horizontal and vertical shifts and stretches. So this one is shift horizontally because it's next to x, and it's shifting by -1, which is the opposite of what you expect. So you shift to the right by +1. And this is a vertical stretch. Vertical because it's after what the function does. So vertical stretch. So what we do first is shift this by 1 unit to the left. So where it was 2, now it's gonna be 1, and you have the same kind of so this is f of x minus 1, and then you amplify by 2 each of these. So this is going to be stretched by 2. So this is going to be 2 f of x minus 1. And let me color code it in a different color. So this is going to be, the final answer is going to be this purple. Okay, part B. This is a simple vertical shift. Vertical because it's after f, it's not inside f, next to x. Vertical shift by 4 up. So if it's what the point -2, 0 is gonna be point -2, 4, and we're gonna have something like this. For this one is shift horizontal to the left, and this is shift vertical up by 1. So what this is doing in the end is it's shifting horizontally by 1 to the left and by 1 upwards. So this point, which was 0, -2, now becomes the point, first it becomes point 0, -3, and then 1, -3. So this breakpoint between the two straight lines occurs at this new point 1, -3, and it becomes the same thing. So it's gonna be something like this. Oh, we should also calculate where does the other point go. The other point that was evidenced in the graph was the point 0, -1. So shift to the left by 1 is -1, -1, and shift up by 1 is -1, 0. So -1, 0 is where it's gonna end. Let me see. Sorry. Wait. This is not 0, oh my god. Okay, so the first point here was -2, 0. So when we shift it to the left, it's -3, 0, and we shift it by 1, it's -3, 1. So this is -3, 1, and the first part of the graph, and then we said the other point of the graph becomes this point, which is -1, 0, and this is how it looks like.